So we're going to go ground floor.
Doors closing.
So we're in GUNQUAY WHARF in Portsmouth. We're here. There's a ginormous shopping centre.
Doors opening.
And it's raining, so we're going to have to use the umbrella, I reckon. So we'll have the umbrella. What do you think? Oh God. Oh.
Careful. Going to try it.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's broken actually.
Let me see, sir.
It's broken.
Yeah, oh, that's it. All done.
Thank you. So where's the tower? The Spinnaker Tower. Is it that way?
That way. If you go all the way down and turn right, you're gonna see that.
Oh yeah. Okay. Lovely. Thank you. So I presume he was a security guard. So this is the GUNQUAY WHARF. Over 90 shops. We can have a little look. Now I've got the umbrella, but it's quite windy and I'm doing it one-handed, so I might well take off actually. Probably not a wise idea to use a umbrella. I think what I'll do is I'll put the umbrella down just from under here. So the can't get off here, but we can have a little look at the boats. The 90, I think it was 19, there's 19 sort of different shopping brands. We're just keep under cover. I can't say I remember coming here actually, to be honest. I don't know if I have. But this is a Market and Mart. It's on site. So it's quite large, covers a large area. So we just pop down this way. Posh names. There's Clark's shop there. I might pop in there. Need to go in there for some sandals. The Avenues, this is called. goes down here as well. And toilets to my left over here. And that's it. And it comes down onto the main road. All different names for different areas. So this is Marlborough Square. Oh, that was the way I came in, I think. Yeah. That was...
There was 3 people in there already.
And there's a railway station just over the road. In fact, I think if you go through there, it's through there. There's a casino by the look of it. Mint chocolate. Oh, lovely. So if we do a quick 360, I'll try not to go too fast this time. Goes down to the quayside. It's a bit windy, so sorry for the wind. It's all very posh. Strada. It's like any other mall, isn't it? It's just depending on what you're looking for, really. So that's where we're going to go next, which is over. Just pull over here so you can see. So the tower, just there. Spinnaker Tower. That's where we're going. So this is Market Miles and Marts. This is GUNQUAY WHARF. It's in Portsmouth. Yeah, and £2.90 for 2 hours parking, and even disabled badge holders have to pay. So that's going to be important consideration when you come to Portsmouth. And some people will argue that why shouldn't you pay, but you know, I can always park on double yellow lines if I really wanted to. Very, very cold, a bit windy and a bit wet. Luckily most of it is undercover, and so I'm going to go off round and see what we can see. Spinnaker Tower. Entrance. We'll cut through here. It's all very accessible. Now I reckon we've got to go down. Oh no, this way. We're heading back towards the car park, and we have to pay £2.90. So very good. So I think we have to go to UB, if I remember rightly. We'll try that and see.
Closing out.
Let's try UB first.
Doors closing.
So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed today's trip to GUNQUAY WHARF, Market Malls and Marts. And give us a thumbs up and a like and a share, and I'll catch you again for another one very
Doors
soon.
opening.
Bye for now.